Good morning, this is Dave Green from Blackburn Audi. This is a short video presentation of this stunning Audi A1. This particular model is the Black Edition 2-litre TDI 143 PS 6-speed gearbox. As I said, it is a manual and it is the 3-door. Finished off in the black metallic paint. We've got the alloy wheels, 18-inch alloy wheels, low profile tyres, the twin tailpipes on the back and reverse parking sensors. Comes equipped with satellite navigation, dark tinted glass and privacy, light range sensors, automatic lights, just 32,932 miles on the clock. Not bad miles for a September 2014 model. For any further information, if you contact Dave Green at Blackburn Audi. Thank you.